everybody, happy Saturday. It's me, Vic. How are you guys doing today? So today I wanted to come on and do a DIY showing you guys how to change an ordinary t-shirt into a blouse like this. Okay, so definitely I wanted to share that with you all, and this is a very easy step to do. If you have any type of t-shirts, whether it's old or it's new, and you want to just make it look a little bit more like, I think like this is a little bit more sexy, check out the video and see for yourself how easy it is to make. And this is how it turns out, guys. I absolutely really simple plain t-shirt that goes from regular to this. Really cute, easy to do. Check out the video. Hello everybody, so today I am going to take this t-shirt and I'm going to add some style to it. This is an older t-shirt that I have, and I wanted to make it look a little bit more stylish, and you know, because it's a boring shirt. And basically what I'm going to do is fold this shirt in half like this. Okay, one second. See, I fold it in half. Okay, I'm going to use these push pins, and these pins right here I'm going to use to keep it together, as you can see. Now I want to add like a hole here, like so it could have like a little style here, because I love to show cleavage. So basically this is what I'm going to do. So the ruler here, put the ruler right here, we're going to make like a little line from here to here. Okay. And from here, here, and go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Could you see? Ta-da! Okay, so now we are going to open this up. Now you see we have a hole here. Okay. We now have a hole, so we are going to cut that out. Now we have a stylish blouse. Instead of it being plain, now we have this. And I will try this on for you guys and show you guys how simple it is to make a blouse and add style to it, because it was a little boring. So what I will do, I'm going to stitch it as well. I'm going to stitch it right now and show you guys how I do that, because it doesn't look right like that. So I'm going to stitch that. Just put a little, take it in a little bit like so. Stitch it. Let me put the pins in, and we'll stitch that this side, just this way, and stitch this side as well. of you guys may have already tried it, but for those of you who definitely want to try it, you saw how easy it was for me to make it. And I do apologize for blocking my view as I was measuring the blouse. Sorry about that. And yeah, so simple. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all and have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.